Introducing the HECS Ultima 1 KLD, a premium compact sewage treatment system engineered exclusively for modern residential villas. This compact package solution is purpose-built for villas, featuring a plug-and-treat design that ensures quick installation and effortless operation. With HECS, advanced wastewater treatment is no longer outsourced. It's built into your home. Every drop of wastewater from your kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry is intelligently captured, treated, and made ready to reuse. Designed for seamless integration, the entire system is installed underground, preserving your landscape while optimizing space efficiency. The process begins in the screen chamber, where solid waste is effectively separated, ensuring smooth downstream operation. Water then flows into the sedimentation and equalization stage before entering the anoxic reactor, where biological treatment begins and contaminants are broken down. At the core of the system, the moving bed bioreactor operates continuously, delivering high-efficiency treatment while maintaining ultra-low noise levels below 50 decibels, so your peace and quiet remain undisturbed. Following this, water undergoes final settling and the treated water is collected in the treated water tank. In the final stage, the dual media filter polishes the water to reuse standards, making it ideal for gardening, reducing fresh water demand and supporting a sustainable lifestyle. A cleaner home, a greener future.